Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be painting a birdhouse, and my sister is going to paint the roof and the bottom of it, like right here. And then we have some handle brushes, some paint brushes, some big ones and some little ones. And then we have some bird food, Wild Harvest Daily Blend bird food. Nutrition diet, and then some acrylic paint, 12, whatever that says, neon and glow, 12 bright colors, and they're glow in the dark. So my sister is gonna paint the roof and the bottom of it, and this is just a sticker, it's not the real thing. So my sister is over there at the kitchen table, and she is going to paint the roof, and we'll be right back when she's done. Okay guys, sorry about that. First we're gonna open the things in front of the camera for you guys to see the colors of the paint. First we're gonna open the glow in the dark paint. Open more. So guys, we got a really tiny thin paintbrush. It's right here. It's super thin. You guys can't even, I think you guys can't even see it on camera. And then we have some glow in the dark paint. Here are one row of 4 colors. Here is the other row of 4 colors. And here is the last row of 4 colors. This is my favorite row because these are pretty cool colors. So guys, my sister, oh wait, and then next we are going to open the paint brushes. So guys, this is really hard to open. Oh, found it. Okay guys, so we got different kinds of paint brushes. We got blue and green thin brushes, and blue, orange, and yellow thick ones, if you guys can see that. And so we're gonna use these, and we'll be right back. Oh, and the last time, Daily Blend bird food, but we're gonna open that at the end. So yeah, and we'll be right back when my sister paints the thing. So guys, that's the color that we picked for the roof. My sister's painting it right now, and she's gonna paint the bottom of the houses too. So I don't know what design she's gonna do on it still. And I'm trying to figure out what colors should I do for that house. So we'll be right back when she's done and I pick my colors. Okay guys, so I'm not quite done with it yet. Sorry about the background. I'm not quite done with it yet, guys. But here's a little sneak peek until I finish it. My sister had finished the roof. It's like a purplish bluish color, and it has dark blue in the bottom and some lime green for the front of the house, and purple for like the little like sticks for they could stand on. And then I haven't painted the sides or the back of it, as you guys can see. And so yeah, and we'll be right back when we paint it. Okay, guys, so we finished painting it. I think it's really cool. So I'm gonna put the camera on a tripod. And then this is the front side of it. The front side is green. And then the bottom of it is like sky blue. Or dark blue, whatever you guys want to call it. And if you guys could see it, that, I think you guys can't. That part is like kind of like that color, the pinkish one. It's right there. If you guys could see that. And then the roof is like bluish mixed with purple. It was like that color. And then we're gonna, it's still drying, so I need to be really careful with it. And this side, it is like orangey, you guys could say, like orange yellow. And then this side is yellow. And then let's turn it. And this one is orange yellow as well. And so I tried to do all different colors, but I think it would look the best if I did two colors in the same sides. So, and then I painted the sticks. These sticks, I painted it purple, if you guys can see that. And then we haven't put anything inside yet, but it looks pretty big inside there. Inside there looks pretty big. But yeah, and we might do like the we might like put some like decorations on it in the morning or today. We don't know because it's really late right now. But when you guys watch this video, it's gonna be like morning already. This might be like part 1 of the birdhouse. In part 2, we're gonna put the bird food. We're gonna put the decorations on it, and we're gonna paint more. And I'm gonna go wash the brushes right now. And then, but first, I'm gonna show you guys the muffins that my sister and my mom made. So look at these little muffins. These are strawberry mini muffins or cupcakes, whatever you guys want to call it. And then they smell good and they look good. They're letting them cool off right now because they barely took them out like 6 minutes ago, kind of. And then we made some fruit salad because tomorrow we are going to visit my grandma in Half Moon Bay. So yeah, and I'm gonna make videos over there on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna make part 2 of the birdhouse tomorrow in the morning before we leave to my grandma's house. So yeah, part 2 of this birdhouse. I think I have done a really good job, and my sister. Shout out to my sister, my big sister, and Natalie, and my other sister, Sol. But I think she went in the garage. And then and we'll be right back. Guys, my sister is trying to knock on my door. Oh.
Fine. But I wasn't in the bathroom. Then why'd you lock it? Natalie, you already know.
Okay, guys, so
Were you recording
these are
the whole time?
yeah. Guys, so these are
Grab and delete it.
guys, these are some colors. These are the other colors. The ones that are open right now are neon and they glow in the dark. So those are pretty cool.
Huh?
And then in the morning I'm gonna put
What?
those colors on top of these colors.
Huh?
I'll put these colors, so stay tuned for that. And bye guys, we will see you guys in part 2 in the morning.